Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we have USDJPY. Today, we are going to be analyzing a little trade recap, right? 1 to 15 trade. Let's just get straight into it. This is the 4 hour time frame, okay? I can say that like the trade was on the pretty low time frame, so and also like I was trading this session. I was trading the. Let me just see that. Yeah, London. I don't know like why is it like this, but yeah, I was aiming for the Asian low. So we can also just mark this up right here, real quick. Let's just mark up as AL right here, just so we know when it's going to be to the bottom. So let's just zoom in. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful trade. And let me just explain like what did I manage to see. So overall, I had two POIs. This was the first one that caused this like real like movement to the downside that made the new lower low was by this candle, this unmitigated candle. It was never mitigated like until we made this, and it was all like this thing was made in this price action of overall was made in the Asian session. As you can see, we had the Asian low right there. As you can see, I also had this marked up right here. And the thing was also in the yeah, from here on, as you can clearly see. This is where the Asian session started, 1 a.m. in my time. So as you can clearly see, after you managed to see this mitigation, I was like, okay, I'm not gonna look for any type of like in like trades around here if I don't see a confirmation, which I did and I took the trade. But I was like, I would have been waiting for a trade around here, okay, for a short. And on the high time frame, this comes around in a beautiful demand area, which we can look for confirmations that are gonna push to the upside. But like we are in shorts right now, so let's just go to the 5 minute time frame and let me just explain what I did manage to see. I'm pretty happy that the spread did not fucking screw me up because like it was 2.5 pip stop loss. So as you can see, let's just go even to the 1 minute time frame. As you can see, after I saw this, like this could be a change of character, like clearly, but I make it as a like breaker structure, which on the higher time frame is just a like breaker structure because this is just a substructure, but on the lower is a change of characters, which are we gonna change right now to the bottom. So we did manage to have a change of character. What caused this was this candle right here. Okay, this unmitigated candle. Actually, it was right here, but we already like went past this. And also this beautiful supply area was in the premium price, where as you can see was above the equilibrium or the 50%. So beautiful, beautiful idea. More confirmations. Took the trade, okay, let it running after like what 1 to 3. I just after we broke through these lows, I just had it at a break even. Okay, the stop loss. Then as you can see, after we started to break all these lows, I just my stop loss was just right here, for example, at one time. After we continued, my stock came back around here, and I just like left it, and it just managed to happen. Overall, the TP was reached in a matter of what, like in a matter of 4 hours or so. I was at the gym, so let me know what are your thoughts about this trade. You really need to follow your plan and use like 0.5% about this. Like I should have been using like 1% because this is a high probability trade in my eyes. Okay, in my trading plan. So let me know what are your thoughts about this. Have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye. And I also have a free Discord, first link in the description, and some educational videos which are on YouTube. And you can find a playlist, second link in the description. So bye.